A dramatic video is now circulating from the Middle East. And let me tell you, it is raising serious question about the shadow war that is being fought through drones and intelligence network. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage. And now Iran has claimed that it has destroyed a secret surveillance radar that is linked to Israel near its western border. And the strike, it was reportedly captured on camera by an attacking drone. Now, according to statements, and by the way, these statements are released by the IRGC, the target was a radar installation located in the mountainous Shein Darawi region of the western Iran, not really far from the border with the Iraq and the Turkish area nearby. Iranian officials say that the radar was secretly connected to Mossad, the intelligence agency of Israel, and it was allegedly being used to monitor the military movement and strategic activities inside Iranian territory. In fact, the footage released by Iran reportedly shows the entire sequence of the strike. First, aerial images appear to show a drone flying above a remote mountain ridge where the radar structure is located. Then, within seconds, the drone dives directly towards the target. Moments later, a powerful explosion lights up the area, followed by thick black smoke rising from the site. In the meantime, they also claim that the attack completely destroyed the monitoring equipment. Well, the weapon that was used in the strike is believed to be the Shahed 136 loitering munition, one of the most well-known drones in Iran's growing unmanned arsenal. Now, unlike traditional missiles, loitering munition acts like flying bomb. They can remain in the air for a very long period of time while searching for the target. Once the drone identifies its objective, it crashes directly into it with explosions. Now, these systems are relatively inexpensive as compared to the advanced missiles, which makes them a key part of Iran's strategy for the asymmetric warfare. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, over the past few years, Iran has invested heavily in drone technology. Now, here, military experts believe that Iran now operates dozens of different unmanned systems just designed for surveillance or maybe precision strike or something more. Now, many of these drones are capable of flying hundreds or maybe thousands of kilometers, allowing them to reach the targets and that too far beyond the Iran's border. However, there is still some uncertainty about the exact nature of the structure that was destroyed. It's very important to note that independent analysts reviewing the video, they say that installation could also reassemble a communication tower rather than a dedicated military radar system, because the location is remote and it is very difficult to access. In fact, the claims that are made by Iran, they have not been independently verified. Neither Israel has said so nor the US. However, what is clear is that the incident reflects a much larger trend. Across the Middle East, intelligence operations, cyber activities, drone warfare, they are becoming central tools in the rivalry between Iran and the US. Instead of large conventional battles now, both the sides are increasingly relying on covert surveillance network, precision strike, advanced technology to gain the strategic advantage. In the end, this particular strike, it highlights how modern conflicts are changing. That's right, wars today, they are not really fought with tanks or superpowers. They are also fought with small drones, hidden sensors, intelligence networks operating silently across the border. And in the middle of all of this, invisible battlefield is becoming more active with every passing day.